Hello. Hello. Yes, that is correct. I've received the delivery. Hey, look. Part of the inside of my headphones. Good job I ordered a new pair. Haha. Now, let's open this parcel up. That's right, on-stream unboxing. On VOD unboxing as well. I don't want to leave you YouTube boys out. YouTube boys. That's B-U-O-Y. You're bobbing up and down in my sea of viewers. Sea of viewers, dog. Did you know I have like twice the number of followers on Twitch than I do on YouTube? Weird, huh? It's almost like I don't really create YouTube style content anymore. Did I ever? Oh, it was a power plug. Yes, some nice recyclable air-filled packaging. We got our Amazon Basics USB-C cable. Where I put that knife? Oh Christ. Never put anything down. It's my tip to you as a friend. Never ever put anything down. Just whip a little line across that deepy weight. It's beautiful. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. It's got a little cable tidy that comes with it. Thought that might be helpful. A little Velcro boy. We got a power extender. This is the important thing. Can never have enough of these. It's the first time I actually received it in its original packaging, potentially. I bought one before, a two gang, to go to Japan with, and definitely did not modify it at all. This even comes with screws to hang it. Wow, this is the best packed. The brand is Tistelip, and I like the way they're designed. I do not like the way they're advertised because it looks shady as shit, but prepare leads as shown in diagram. There's a plug on the end here. Oh, it comes with 2 plugs? How generous. But that's cool. That almost certainly works. Comes with 4 fuses, comes with standoffs, roll plugs for screwing it into stuff that isn't solid. Comes with 2 friggin' power. That's so nice. Like, I know I have no real lack of power plugs, but you know what? What if I break one? And then finally we have the FIO K3 USB-C USB-C headphone DAC and preamp. Guangzhou, eh? Cool. And yeah, test that off stream. Make sure it all works. I'm sure it all works. Hey, just give me a sec. Because I'm warm, take my jumper off. Y'all don't need to hear that. For God's sake. Woo. I guess you didn't really need to hear that either, did you? Close combat anim set. Wow. You know, if it's a product, you could probably just call it like animation set. You write it all out, but whatever. Got some laggy lags here. What's going on there? Hey, we're here. The targeting system. First, before we before we do that, let's just oh, it hasn't ticked over. I guess it doesn't reset until Thursday. Okay then, on to the main event. Bobble Man. I can't remember what we were meant to be doing today, but we're going to go to our project, we're going to appraise our project, and we're going to find out. I said we're going to find out. I know they're not brushes. There's no way for me to do like intersections, is there? Whatever. So this is where we left off last time. Let's give us a little bit more of a screen to work on there. We've got a coin, we've got a baby, coin and a baby. Ghosts that stop chasing after a while. Stop chasing when they lose sight. Yeah, there you go. Babies. Cool. So I think the first thing we need to do is remove that from the level. I like that. I like being able to search the world outliner. Nice, that's what it's called. BPBM coin. So value instance editable tooltip expose and spawn private drive blueprint just cannot modify. No. Cool. So we're gonna make some childs of this. We're gonna change this metal list to like yeah, plain sphere. Don't restore. Thank you. Save, compile, viewport. Now it's just a white coin, nice and blank for us to manipulate. Create child blueprint class. So this, we've got the coin. This is going to be gold. So we've got a gold coin. And value. Oh. Hello. Where is our value? Class settings. Class defaults. Value. Make that 100. In fact, yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's totally fine. This is how you do it, right? Child blueprint. Because we can go in. We can select the coin. I saw a chrome. That'll look good. That will look good enough, at least. Yes. And then it's in class defaults. Value 50. And then Child blueprint class. There's actually a copper material. Wow. Class defaults. Volu. What did we have? We had 10. We had 50. Sorry, we had 100. We had 50. Yes, it'd be 25 then, I guess. I think that's good enough. I think the original game had some like black coins that were worth like 1. They were like a dark, like a slate grey. They were yeah. Cool. And now if we go to this, impulse, spin, and event, begin, overlap. Branch. Get class. Bubble Man actual condition. So we're gonna get the class of what we smack into, or what we overlap, sorry. And if it is the Bubble Man, we are gonna cast to BP. Where is my score, by the way? Is it in HUD? Integer plus integer, maybe. And we want the score. The value. Destroy actor self. And there you go. That is uncompilable error. The blueprint itself is not a BP, BM, HUD, C, and therefore target must have a connection. Get HUD. get player controller from ID. Okay, so that should work now. Okay, that works. This, the blueprint itself is not a BPBM HUD-C, and therefore target must have a connection. Variable node set score uses an invalid target and may depend on the node not connected to the execution chain got purged. Can you? Oh right, yeah, okay. Cast failed, do nothing. That's absolutely fine. So now we have a coin spawn in the world. And it gets whacked by our lad. Welcome to the mouth noise stream. It will increment the score by the value set in the child blueprint classes, obviously, and then it will destroy the actor. Increment. Motherfucker. I'm still not happy about having an on-tick spin. But I mean, I guess that's the only way of doing it, right? Wow. Under what influence did I create this blueprint? That's wavy, boy. That is a wavy boy. Event hit. So this is... Yeah. In fact, that's Death Legion. Because that doesn't deal with player interaction. That is all dealt with on the player. Yeah, that cleans up the projectile and then it cleans up this actor. So okay. So we got to do two things. We'll extend this here. We'll create a function, and this is coin fountain. And this takes in an input, an int. Coin amount. Can we set a default value? Default value is 0. Pass by reference. Outputs. Don't think there needs to be any outputs. But while we need a variable for this, don't we? We need a local variable to do the thing, right? Uh... Huh. Loop body. Spawn actor from class. Promote to a variable. Array of actor. So in a class, default object is not allowed. I'm gonna have to look it up, I think. The fuck was that noise? Heavy tones with Stratocaster. That's just a gem, just chilling out there. Okay. What we want is we can search on YouTube, sure. Actors Unreal Engine 4. Mesh arrays. Blueprint essentials arrays. Creating actor references, blueprint communication. 4 different approaches inside Unreal. Fuckers actor array bounds in the Unreal. Okay, well, I'll check out this first video. Or will I? I will not. Apparently. Good audio settings. Why are you doing this to me, dog? Stop enabling these devices. Stop booting Steam VR. Madness. I don't think this is the one that I don't think this is gonna help me. No, used here we go. Endless Runner 4.7. The eponymous tutorial, which I have watched several times over. Varying the course. I believe that is this one. He sets up some stuff. It's this. In fact, I'll post that in chat. Because Skid, I don't really care about you building the level, I care about you building the blueprint to spawn the level into the world. Never thought I'd say that. What the hell just happened? So promote that to variable. Get out of here. Get. Ah. Yes. Still an error though, so cool. Ah, right. Okay. We all right. We get from it. Right. Okay. I get it. I get it. I get it. All right. Okay. Okay. Eureka. We did it with the tiny help of an Unreal employee. Fuck. It's fine. It's fine. We're here. We did this. How do you do weighted random stuff? I mean, I could just fill the thing with I guess you could do like the dice roll stuff. So we have 3 things, so you could have 3 and then 2 and then 1. Random integer range is min 1, max 6. Oh, I just did this yesterday. We could use could use a condition. Switch on e lifetime, e set, e get number of entries in. No, I want a conditional. Okay, no, we can't do that. Is this even C++? I want a switch. I just want a switch. I just want a fucking switch. Just a switch. Just a switch function. So I can... Good slam. So I... I don't want a blueprint switch, no. How am I gonna do this? Don't ask. Sounds like someone's doing work. Random integer in range 1 to 6. I'm sure there's a clever one pound thing we can do here. So we're gonna have values between 1 and 6. Thank you for the autosave. We're gonna grab those values and we want and we'll divide them maybe. So you want like 1, 2, and 3. Could we do a modulo? Are there 3 values we can get out of modulo? So 6 divided by 1 is 6, 2 be 3, 5 divided by 2. Wait, is it divided by 3 maybe? Because we have 3 things. 6 is itself divisible by 3. So can I not just like is valid? Yeah, we're doing it the easy peasy way. What's the thing that you can use to get a pin that goes out and then joins up over there? I can't remember. But that'd be real cool. Completed set coin spawned to 0. So yeah. Spawn transform. Can I why y'all editor only? All right. Mesh. If I just, it's not gonna automatically. Okay. Get world transform, and that should be absolutely fine. Oh, yeah, we need integer plus integer. Coin spawned plus 1. Boom. Compile, save. What a hoo-ha. What a fandango. Coin fountain. And then in the event graph, coin fountain. Coin amount, absolutely, we can have that as a variable. An int. A single int. Coin number. Coin actor array. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Because if we make different kinds of ghosts, then we can use that. And the default value, I think, is going to be 8. What a nice number. Now let's see if this works. So we have to go in game. We have to score a kill, I'm afraid. Let's just unmute the desktop audio. So you can hear the beautiful ambiance of a generic Unreal Engine 4 game. Boof! That is fucking beautiful. You see that? You see that? I can make a video game. The little help from my friends. This is wild, my friends. I cannot remember what week we're on, by the way. So I think it's next week. Next week, I think, is week 20. So maybe, next week I'll do audio. So the next snapshot isn't just completely barren, and it isn't just a wasteland of. These coins need to have a self-cleanup, because right now this is going to get messy. Even I can see that this is going to get messy, and there has to be a challenge to it. We want to have to get the coins, right? This is just fucking disgusting. It's cool, right? Because even if we just made an array of the actors, even just duplicating the actors into the array has given us this effect. It doesn't seem to have screwed performance so far. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. We've been doing 49 minutes. So I guess we just have to we have to do a thing, don't we? So this is gonna be fun. You just move all that down there. So we got to update the time. Here we go. Two variables which are floats. Floaty boy. Variable name. Time elapsed. And this is time lapsed, and this is we're going to call it lifespan. So this needs to be set time elapsed. I don't know why you're trying to push this way. Which is time elapsed float plus float plus delta seconds. And then add relative rotation. And then we'll have the branch. Do we even need a sequence? Sure, okay. We need a sequence, but we're going to put the branch before the sequence. Branch. There we go, branch. And that goes into the sequence. And the condition is float greater than float, and we want time elapsed is greater than the lifespan. No. I hate you. I hate you, brain. I did it backwards. So lifespan is greater than the time elapsed. So if the float value of lifespan is greater than the time that we have been in, we continue to be in. And then when it is not, then destroy actor. Lifespan is seconds, right? So I don't know. Compile, save. Lifespan default value. I don't know. 15. That's probably a lot. Time elapsed. So now when we kill a ghost, the coin should only hang around for 15 seconds. Stop moving, let me kill you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I don't think we need to count. I don't think we're going to be that accurate counting. Ghosts, you better stay back. But we're going to watch them all despawn at the same time. So we could add some variance to each coin's lifetime in the spawn. Here we go. Event begin player. We drag this all the way back here, and we have another variable, which is lifespan variance. And that is gonna be set lifespan variance to be random float in range minus 4 plus 4. So that's wild. Lifespan probably be like 10 instead of 15. Save, and then also this flipless float. Jesus. Yep. So I think we can do that. It didn't throw up any errors, so what we're doing is when we spawn a coin, we're going to set a variance, so a random float value between -4 and +4, and we're going to add that to the lifespan of each coin. We've changed the lifespan of each coin to 10 seconds, so we've got a minimum lifespan of 6 seconds and a maximum lifespan of 14 seconds, which I think is probably still going to be too big a variance, really, but we don't need that open. So let's check it out. We just shoot him. He spills out some coin, and we'll see that some of them will start dropping off after a little while, and some of them will start dropping off a little bit later. Hey, none of this. And of course, you can change the values of the variances in the children blueprints for these coins individually. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And I'm sure in deep gameplay you'll never notice the jarring transition where they just cease to exist. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I think we've made some decent progress here. Let me just save these. Save all those buddies. I think we made some decent progress, and I think maybe next week. I think we can maybe do some sound, some nice relaxing stuff that doesn't require me to actually think about doing things. Oh, come to think of it, come to think of it, I think we could use that array thing to determine how to spawn things into various spawn zones, rather than having a spawn point for each thing that we want to spawn. I think that could be good. We could try that out next time, and we do some music, some sound effects, maybe. Who knows? That would require me clearing off maybe one of my keyboards or booting up a PS1. Who knows? Let's get weird with it. Hey, there's a little button on the side of that thing. Why is this model so detailed? Yeah, look at that. So anyway, thank you for tuning into the live video. Thank you for watching the video on demand. If you watch the video on demand, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.